जिंदाबाद।
Thank you, Mr. Ishtiyaq Beg. That was, you said everything. जो मैंने कहना था सब आपने कह दिया. But I mean, Pakistan, Turkey friendship Zindabad. And now I would like to invite the children. Where are the children? Where are they sitting? Here. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum. आपको नजर आ रहे हैं Engin? कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इनसे? बिल्कुल कहना चाहेंगे. Engin, can you see the three children?
I can't see anything
zoom
now.
in on the children. You can't see anything. Okay, we've lost our side of the. Now you can
Yes.
see. Okay,
now,
great.
yes, I see.
So
Hello, children.
these
Hello,
are the
guys.
three.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Can we have mics for the children? That'd be great. So these are the three children who have made all our wishes come true. I mean, हम सबकी wish in जैसे पूरी हो रही है. So can you introduce yourself? आप अपना नाम बताओ.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम सुहेल है और मैंने ये ड्रामा पीटीवी पर देखा तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई क्योंकि इसके इस्लाम के बारे में इस्लाम की तारीख बताई गई है. उसमें बताया गया है कि कितने ही बहादुर जंगजू थे जो इस्लाम के लिए लड़ते थे और वो किसी से नहीं डरते थे, अल्लाह की रजा के लिए लड़ते थे. और मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, मुझे इस ड्रामे में बहुत अच्छी लगी जो कि हमारे नबी हजरत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का नाम लिया जाता तो आप दिल पर हाथ रखते, जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है.
मैं उनको बताती हूँ कि आप क्या कह रहे हो. Let me translate for you. This is Suhail, and Suhail has just said that I saw your show Ertrol on our local channel, PTV channel, and I loved it because it's telling us about our Islamic history, and it's showing us how the heroes in our Islamic history, how they used to fight. They were not afraid of anybody. They were not afraid to lose their lives. And the thing he loved the most, your hand on your heart, and that's a gesture that he loves the most about the show. And I think we would all like to start doing that. Hum sabko karna chahiye, hai na?
बिल्कुल.
That's what he said to you. Do you have anything to say to him, Engin?
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm very happy for this love, actually, and I can see we have inspired you, and yeah, it's very difficult role, but it was amazing. So I'm very happy for love. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. वो कह रहे हैं कि बहुत शुक्रिया आपके प्यार का. उनको नजर आ रहा है कि आप सब बहुत प्यार करते हैं. So वो अपने दिल से
एक्टिंग है वो बहुत रियल लगती है. जिस तरीके से आप लड़ते हैं, तलवार से आप अपनी लड़ते हैं, तुरगुत अपनी कुल्हाड़ी चलाते हैं, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
जब ड्रामे के ड्रेस में मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, बहुत अच्छे. आज मैं हलीमा सुल्तान का ड्रेस पहन के
ठीक है. बोलो फिजा.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम फिजा है. मैं आपका ड्रामा बहुत शौक से देखती हूँ. सबसे पहले इसका ट्रेलर पीटीवी और यूट्यूब में जब से मुतासिर हुए. आप मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. आपके चलने फिरने का अंदाज बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मेरी ख्वाहिश थी कि मैं आपसे मिलूं और मेकअप विश वालों ने मेरी ख्वाहिश पूरी की. थैंक यू.
Yes, Humayun and Zeba are here. हम आते हैं बाद में. So, where did I lose you? That Suhail is dressed up in, the attire from the show, from that time
Yes,
period.
yes, I can see.
And he'd like to show it to you. So, आप खड़े हो दिखाओ. All three of them are wearing outfits from that time period. From okay, we'll bring them in front.
Oh, it's lovely.
And that's Sidra. This is Fiza. Sidra is dressed up as Halima Sultan, and she wants to know how she's looking. Is she looking like Halima?
Yeah, of course, she's look like Halima.
This is Sidra.
Yes, of course, she's look like Halima.
Okay,
She's
and
so
she
sweet.
बिल्कुल आप बिल्कुल लग रही हैं हलीमे की तरह, बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं. And both the girls also love the show, and they express their wish to meet you, and they're very thankful to you and Make-A-Wish Foundation that their wish has come true. They're extremely happy, and they love the show and they love you. So that's what they were saying. Thank
Thanks,
you.
thanks for bringing us together. Thank you very much.
And now there's a special gift for you, Engin. The children, the three children, and Mr. Ishtiyaq Beg would like to present a gift to you. It's a
Thank you.
sword, and it's for you from us. And of course, because you can't physically receive it, I would like to invite the Turkish Consul General, His Excellency, and Mr. Ikhtiyar Beg.
Come here,
His
beta, all the three
Excellency
children.
Tolga Ucha.
Now I want to tell you one thing. Engin, this is a very special sword which was made on order. And there is written La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah, which is engraved.
Thanks.
Since you are not present here, on your behalf, we are giving this sword from Make-A-Wish Children to you, which His Excellency, the Consul General, will deliver it, to you. And
you.
especially if somebody can put a little bit camera on it,
Yeah.
you can see La ilaha illallah Muhammadul Rasulullah, which is engraved on the sword over here. So now we are giving it on your behalf, this sword, to His Excellency, the Consul General. And with us also, the Commissioner of Karachi is here. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Excellency, come here. Excellency, come on, beta. Aisha, you come here also. इधर आ जाएं आयशा, बैलेंस हो जाएगा. It's a beautiful sword, beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, beta. Thank you. Thank you so much. Excellency, this is your responsibility. Yeah, to deliver him. Thank you so much. चलो, आइए बेटा बैठे यहाँ पे.
Thank you so much. That sword is beautiful. I'm going to come to you in just a minute, Engin, but before that, I'd like to invite someone very special. She sung the original theme song of Ertrol, the Pakistani version. She sung it in Arabic and in Urdu, and she sung lots of soundtracks before. And she sung it in very beautifully. So I'd like to invite her, and we're going to play the theme song. Miss Middat Hayat, she's also a volunteer of Make-A-Wish Foundation. Hi, Middat. Assalamu alaikum. Aap gayengi?
Yeah.
Do you want to stand in the center? Great. Okay. So Middat is going to sing for us.
Thank you.
Thank you, Middat. That was beautiful. Thank you. Middat is also a volunteer of Make-A-Wish Foundation, and she sings beautifully. Thank you. And now we're coming to you, Engin. It's time for us to finally hear your remarks about how you feel meeting these three children virtually, of course. And yeah, please.
It's amazing for me, of course. Thank you very much to Make a Wish, and thank you guys for watching us. And we have inspired you, and it's very, very important for us. Thank you very much for everything, and I hope we can see you one day. Thank you very much for everything.
Thank you. Yes, we hope to also meet you very, very soon. I finally figured out which camera was capturing me so I can look at you. I think it was that one. But we also hear that you will be visiting Pakistan soon, and we cannot wait. So thank you. Thank you for this.
Thank
And
you.
now I'd like to invite the Turkish Honorary Consul General, His Excellency, Consul General, His Excellency Mr. Tolga Ocak, to come and say a few words. Please, His Excellency.
Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon. And today, with the kind invitation of the Ishtiaq Baik and the Baik family, we are together here for the, of course, for the wish of the kids. And I would like to also thank our hero, Engin Bey, Engin Altan Tuzyatan. We are together indeed from the same university. I also study in the same university, the Kuzeyli University, with him. But I am a bit older than him. But I am maybe 2 years older than him. But I'm here almost for 3 years. And that's why I know how the Pakistani people have a big heart for Turkish people here, because I am a part of it now after 3 years. Thank you very much for Pakistan for keeping us in their hearts. And believe us that we also, Turkish people, keep you in our heart very sincerely. And especially for the kids, we can do everything. That's why Engin Bey is now with us today. That's why for the kids, for our future, we have to look back always the history, and history teaches us sometimes. And that's why he has a big mission in this serial and this drama. And today we have, of course, also very talented producers and actors, Humayun Said, with us. And we know him very well in Turkey also. Everybody is fan of him also. That's why we have some cross-cultural contributions for our relations. And this will also affect the youth and the younger generation that will continue our continuous relation in a deep and sincere way. Thank you very much again for the kind invitation.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency. You're absolutely right. We love the Turkish, and we also know that the Turkish love us. Thank you so much. And we're very grateful to Turkey for actually creating this show, because I don't think there's any show in the world that is depicting Islamic history so beautifully. Thank you so much. And yes, you have a very big mission and you're fulfilling it very well. And now I'm going to move on to some of the very important people from our industry who are sitting right in front of us. Mr. Humayun Said, he's one of the top actors of the country. He's also a director, and he's also a producer. And Ms. Zeba Bakhtiar is also one of the top actors, producers, directors of our country. Seated next to her is Mr. Nadeem Beg, who is one of the top, in fact, the top director of Pakistan right now. And they will be visiting Turkey very soon as well. And I will now send the mic over to them if they have a few words to say to you. Yes, I'm going to call them here. Humayun, aa jaiye. Mr. Humayun Said. I think if we were to make a version of Ertugrul, Humayun would play your character.
Ah,
Hello,
hello, salam alaikum.
Angan. Abe. Inshallah, we will meet you soon, after
Inshallah,
this.
inshallah.
Um, I watched all your episodes, like 400 or 500 episodes, and the main reason was your acting. Seriously, the way you perform your character, the way you carried your, character, the way you fight, the way you do all action scenes, they were really, really good.
Thank you very much.
Seriously, I watched all the episodes just because of you.
Thanks, thanks.
इश्तियाक भाई, आपने और मैं भी 2 दफा इन बच्चों से मिल चुका हूँ और ख्वाहिशात को पूरा किया है, और यकीनन इनकी ये भी ख्वाहिश होगी कि अर्तुल से आज हम सब मिल रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू अर्तुल.
Thank
अर्तुल
you.
एंगन. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Humayun. And now I'd like to invite Ms. Seba Bakhtiar to come and say a few words.
I'm so sorry, but I don't have too much time and I have to go to meeting now.
Oh, wow.
Yes, so sorry.
Yes, sorry. You don't have too much.
It's a contribution to Islamic history. Thank you so much.
Okay, so we're going to wrap up the session. Thank you so much, Engen, for your precious time.
you
We're
very
going to take one
Thank you.
photograph. It's going to take literally 1 minute. So can I have everybody up here for a photograph?
Thank you.
And then we're going to say goodbye to you. Okay, all the children. Hello. Thank you so much for your precious time. Engin, just one last question. Do you have 1 or 2 minutes or do you have to go right now?
I have to go right now.
You have to go right now. Okay.
I'm so
We
sorry.
wanted the press to ask a few questions, but unfortunately he has to leave. No, not at all. We totally understand. Thank you. We love you once again. Cannot wait to meet you. And you're just amazing. Thank you for this.
Thank you very much. Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
So,
And he's gone. Guys, of course, by time ki to bahut कीमती time hai, and I think we started a few minutes late. Otherwise, we would have, had the media ask a few questions. Lekin this is just beautiful कि ये हुआ भी. Physically possible तो नहीं था एंगन का यहाँ पे आना, लेकिन virtually अब possible है. यही है हमारा new normal. इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्द मुझे लगता है अगले महीने physically खुद